Breaking news that's coming in from the city of Ayodhya now. Bulldozer action likely to take place in Ayodhya with regards to the gang rape that took place. Now there is action that might be taken on the property where the gang rape took place. Bulldozer can run on the property including the bakery of a Samajwadi Party leader, Mohit Khan, the main accused in the gang rape. The Revenue Department has done all the measurements, and the measurements were done on Friday itself. The Revenue team is all set to reach the spot by 11:30. That is, in just a couple of minutes, we'll see that the Revenue Department officials are all set to reach the property. Allegations of illegal occupation of many government lands, including the pond and the graveyard, is also something that have now come to the fore. According to sources, a teen was raped by the duo 2 months ago, and the act was even recorded on a mobile phone. The incident came to light when the recent medical examination revealed that the teen was pregnant.
बारह वर्षीय एक नाबालिग बच्ची के साथ दुष्कर्म का कृत्य में शामिल पाया गया। अभी तक समाजवादी पार्टी ने उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई नहीं की है। मैं ये नहीं समझ पा रहा हूं कि ये सब क्या है। अब क्या ये कोई समाजवादी पार्टी ना बोले? आपका एक्टिव मेंबर है, आपके सांसद के साथ बैठ रहा है, खा रहा है, उनके साथ चल रहा है, लेकिन इस प्रकार के, और यह अति पिछड़ी जाति से जुड़ी हुई एक बालिका से जुड़ा हुआ मामला है, और इस प्रकार की घटिया हरकत में वह लिप्त है, लेकिन तब भी उसको हल्केपन से उड़ाने का काम, यानी हल्केपन से लेने का काम होता है।
My colleague Santosh Sharma, who's already on his way to Ayodhya, is now joining us on the story. Santosh, heinous crime took place, and we have seen how Yogi Adityanath has been making it very clear over the past many years that these kind of acts will not go unpunished. We just heard the Chief Minister of the state saying that this is something that the government will not forget, will not forgive, and also very clearly giving an indication that there will be destruction of property, it looks like, in all likelihood in this case.
Definitely, after giving CM Yogi Adityanath gave the statement of strict action against all the accused of Ayodhya rape case, the action was being taken, and all the two main accused, Samajwadi Party leader Mohammad Mohid and his co-accused, has been arrested. And last night, another FIR has been lodged by the in the Ayodhya Kotwali for threatening the victim family to compromise in the previous rape case. Last night at around 11 p.m., one of the friend, we can say the Mohit Khan, the main accused, his close associate is Mohammad Rashid, who is also the local chairman of that locality, that Nagar Panchayat, Mohammad Rashid, and another Samajwadi Party leader, we can say Jai Singh Rana. Both went to the hospital where the victim family was there for the medical examination and other treatments. Both went there and threatened the family to get compromised in the rape case. And after that, FIR against all those associates of Mohammad Mohid, close friend Mohammad Rashid, and Jai Singh Rana. So we can say the strict action has been started, and right now the local administration, whether it was the Food Adulteration Department or the SDM, the local Lekpal, or the Land Revenue Department, the teams have reached, and now searching their legalities of the land and the properties occupied by the Mohit Khan. And we can say the bulldoze action can be taken against on those properties, and the seizure has been done by the Ayodhya administration, the Food Adulteration Department. The bakery of Mohammad Mohit Khan, who is the main accused of this rape case, has been seized, and the sample has been taken by of the products found in the bakery. So
right.
We can say the action is started, and after some time we can say the bulldoze action will